personal chef and owner of Daily Squares Catering, and today I'm going to show you how to spruce up those boring box pancakes. We're going to start with your favorite pancake mix that you buy from the store, and I like to add chocolate chips to mine. You can add fruit like blueberries or some banana. You can add cinnamon and sugar if you like, but we'll just start by adding in some chocolate. I like a lot of chocolate, so I'm going to put all of it in there and just stir it in. And you'll cook these like you normally would cook your pancakes. You can do whipped cream on top of them or add more fruit on the top as well. And there you have it. Super simple, but it's really tasty treats. I'm Danian Green, and this has been How to Spruce Up Box Pancakes.